Check out this place. This is Fontenelle Reservoir Campground, BLM Campground in southwest Wyoming. Look how gorgeous this lake is. I was driving along Highway 89 here late at night. Needed a place to pull off. I kept seeing antelope, pronghorn antelope on the side of the road, and wanted a place to crash. Pulled into this campground in the middle of the night. I woke up the next morning and wham, I saw this gorgeous lake. Awesome camp spot. Couldn't find anything on YouTube about it, so put this video together to show you what this looks like. At the end of the video, I'll show you what the boat access looks like. Great place for fishermen, and just a place to chill. Pretty awesome. Let's go check it out. Fontenelle Campground. It's a BLM managed campground. $7 a night to stay. I think it's a 14-day max. As you can see the campground here. There's actually two loops. There's an upper loop that goes up that way towards the hills. Each site has a wind shelter. Campground host, there's none here in September. There's a nice bathroom with running water and flush toilets right there. Surprised by that. But very quiet. Everybody seems to be camped in the lower campground. Definitely looks like a place that the boaters like, fishermen. Huge lake, looks like, from this reservoir here. But give you an idea what the sites look like. Like I say, everyone's in this lower loop here. As you can see, can accommodate big rigs. As you can see, some of them look pretty large over there. But some of the sites aren't that deep. And there's, I think it's open range. I see large droppings. Could be, I'm not sure, cow or what. There's a fire pit. See the table. Overall, very peaceful. I pulled in here last night late. It's dark. I didn't see where I was driving, but very, very nice. Let's see if I can get you guys down to the lake, and then we're going to move on. That's a quick tour of one site. It has water in spots. You can get fresh water. Has an amazing bathrooms, running water, flush toilets. Just show you what it looks like here. Running water, really nice. Quick tour. I'm going to take you down on one of this loop here down towards the Fontenelle Reservoir. Just so you can see some of the sites, give you a feel for this campground. If you like this type of content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of camping, backpacking, hiking videos. So if you like that type of content, please hit that like button. It helps the channel out. Check out this reservoir and the view along these lower sites here down by the lake. What was amazing to me, you can see these pelicans in the lake just fishing or themselves, right? Looking for fish or whatever they're looking for, plant matter. Pretty awesome experience to watch these guys for a half hour or so before we took off on our adventure up north towards Pinedale. As promised, I would take you down to the boat dock and show you what the boat ramp looks like. Paved boat ramp, pretty awesome. You can see this is actually an open range, kind of like I alluded to in that one camp spot. You can see the cattle actually wandering across the boat ramp here. But pretty nice dock. You can definitely get your boats in here. This area seems to be very popular with the fishermen. But yeah, highly recommend this little place. Not very expensive. Very peaceful, quiet. You can see that there's parking for the trailers. You even have a bathroom down here at the boat ramp. Pretty nice boat dock. cows are in the water. As you can see, it's really nicely set up for putting your boat in the water here. They even have a waste dump. If you're pulling your trailer, you can dump your waste at. Check this place out. Pretty cool. $3 fee. They have a dump station. Hopefully this video helped you understand what Fontenelle Campground Reservoir looks like. Pretty awesome spot to arrive in the middle of the night and wake up to this awesome view in the morning and this gorgeous lake, and top it all off, the pelicans in the reservoir. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm going to head up further north into Wyoming here, find some more campgrounds and do some backpacking and hiking. Until our next adventure, thanks for being here.